Hello guys, welcome to this technical channel. So let's start our Git installation process. So for that, just open any browser and search download Git. After that, just go to this first link and choose your device. In my case, I have Windows. So now you have to select your bit. So I will choose 64-bit and you can see it is downloading. After this get installed, you have to open this and click on next and just hit next until this show. So just hit next. We don't have to do anything. After that, you can see it is installing. So now you can see our Git is installed. So click on finish and you can also check in command line. So type cmd and open command line and type git and hit enter. So now you can see we can use this git command because we have already installed Git. So our installation process is finished. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more technical videos.